Hey everyone, it's me, Lisa Lilly, and I'm here with Hungry Mom.
Here I am again, me and my taste bud.
Okay, so we are starting today. We are going to try a crunchy snack. These are called Like Air. What do you expect from that?
Something very light.
Light and crunchy and crispy?
Yes,
Okay,
yum, yum.
these, do you want me to tell you the flavor or you want to guess what flavor it is?
I'll try and guess.
Okay, let's try to guess. All right, but this is a snack. This bag is portion controlled. It's only 100 calories. All right, are you excited?
I'm so excited.
Try one.
Here goes, folks. Like popcorn.
Try one more.
Oh my, it's
They're
so good.
so good. This tastes like pancake. It's pancake flavor.
Yes, it has the pancake taste, and I don't eat pancakes that much, but I want them.
You want them? Wait, do you want to try one more flavor?
All right.
Okay.
Top texture.
Great texture, right? Like light, fluffy, crispy.
Yep.
Low in calories.
I think Lisa picked the wrong taste bud.
You don't know because you don't know what they
Person.
are. White cheddar.
Oh, well, I don't eat white cheddar.
Okay, but do you like them?
It's good.
Okay, so these Like Air snacks, they are light, crispy, they are yummy, and I like that they come in sweet and savory flavors, and they get the Hungry Mom seal of approval.
Yes, I can eat the whole bag.
Wait, which
It's
bag?
light.
Which one?
Pancakes,
You want the small bag or the big bag?
the small bag.
Okay, good. Here, you take that.
How many calories is the small bag, Lisa?
100. Bye.
Hey, if you love content like this, make sure you follow me for more.